Okay guys, in this tutorial we're gonna learn how to work with while loops. Basically, you can get same results as when you are using for loop, but while loop is a little bit better for other things. For example, when you're grabbing stuff from end user, when you're checking input, you can set specific boundaries, let's say. I mean, you're gonna get that feeling over time, over multiple errors and practical examples, either when you are practicing alone or when you are working for some company. You're gonna get that practically over time. But let me explain basically how we are going to construct while loop. Well, first thing first, x as a generic container will be outside of while loop. So integer x, and this is starting point. And then you want to say while, and in here we're going to have upper boundary. So x must be less than 10, less or equal to 10. It's up to you. After that, we're gonna roll with direct operation, which will be printing system.out.println that specific x. And now we're gonna get ourselves into problems, into never-ending loop. Okay, run, and there you go, problem. See, the script is working all the time. So let's cancel it as soon as we can, because we, of course, when we are talking about loops, we need to introduce some kind of jumps, steps, algorithm basically. So x++ will get the job done, or x equals x plus 5 or something like that. And now the thing will be completely operational. There you go, from 0 to 9, and if you want to see 10 down there, you can just say less or equal to 10, and there you go. Okay, so that's very simple stuff. Starting point, ending point, on the left side while, direct operation or something else, and then increment. Now, this is one way of handling stuff, but we also have do-while loop. Do-while loop is a characteristical, how to say this in English, I don't know. When you have do loop, do as a instruction, as a keyword in programming languages will be first, and while will be at the end. And here we have while as a first thing, and there is no do keyword anywhere here. So this is how we are going to say int x equals 0. Okay, that we know about that. Do is the first thing, and immediately we're gonna go to operation of system.out.println that specific x. Now, where while will reside? Well, totally at the bottom. While, and what is upper boundary? X must be less or equal to 10 or any other number. And now here, semicolon. And the thing will totally work. Okay. Problem. Why do we have problem? Because I forget to have increment. Where we are going to say, when we are going to use that increment? Well, here, in primary curly brackets. Let me cancel this because my CPU will burn. So here we will just say x++, semicolon, and now the thing will totally be fine. There you go. So, relatively understandable thing. What you will use practically, probably you're gonna use while loop more than do while loop, because it's there is a place for it, but mostly you're gonna say while do this, while do then. And sometimes you're gonna choose while, sometimes for. In any case, you can handle programming stuff, but you will grasp that over time. So in the next tutorial, we are going to use skips. Basically, we will learn how to jump over a specific operation, how to skip it, and we'll learn how to break execution of loop at a specific moment. Anyway, we're gonna do that for loop and for while loops in dedicated tutorials. Because this is extremely simple, but I don't want to go to 10 or 15 minutes tutorial again. That's just too much to grasp at once. So don't try to memorize these things. You have examples all over the place on internet. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you in a couple of minutes. See you there. Ciao.